UK. This is from Taylor's. Actually, out of interest, Taylor's are one of the biggest producers in the UK of daffodil. And in fact, we export lots of daffodils to Holland. Everybody thinks bulbs all come from Holland. Well, they don't. Taylor bulbs grow them in the fens. Now, these are thermidrome. It's a French garlic, and I'll show you what we do. We drop the packet down there, open up, and I'll show you what's inside here. Is a lovely white garlic, if I can get it out of the packet. And you get two. Now, basically, I'll have to take my things off for this. You've got to break this up. So you just split it, he says, struggling. And you can see that there are little garlic bulbs in there. And you break them all up, and you'll end up with loads of garlic bulbs. And now I'll show you how you put them in the ground. And all we do is you can plant them quite close to each other. I like them in straight rows. So we'll just slightly dig a very fractional hole and just push it in. And you can see the distance I'm planting them apart. They've got to have the spiky bit at the top. Nice and close. Firm them in, and they will root. Within a couple of weeks, they'll be rooting, start to spike, they'll grow away, and next year we'll be able to harvest them and then hang them up and grow even more garlic. Well, that's showing you how we do garlic. And the other job, of course, I've got today is broad beans. Now, broad beans I will plant in another part of the vegetable garden. I'll show you how big they are when they start, and they're nearly the same size as the ones that you would eat. So let's just open these up. This is Bunyan's Exhibition. You've got a bean. There's the dry bean in my hand there. And again, you plant them about a couple of inches deep into the ground. Nice and easy. The other variety that I would use at this time of the year is Aquadulce, and the two varieties are very good for planting in the autumn. As they emerge, we'll talk about them even more, because the one thing that they get when they emerge is, of course, they're infested by black fly. But we'll talk about that in the spring, when hopefully they've all grown in our little veg potch here. So I'm going to get on and plant these. Help us grow our YouTube channel. Just hit subscribe.